Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the shadow poem from NCERT English Marigold book of CBSE class 5th. So let's start my shadow poem from unit 3. Student, do you know what is this shadow? Have you ever observed? Someone is always following you in the light. Do you know whenever there is light someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who it is? So let's start to read and enjoy the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow, for the sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning, very early, before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup, but my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Now we will see new words of the poem. India rubber ball means a ball that can bounce very high. Then second one, buttercup. Buttercup means a yellow flower. Then errant. Errant means bad. See students, now we are going to see short explanation of this poem. This poem is about a child's shadow which always moves with him. His shadow resembles him. Resembles means looking or appearing same. It does exactly the same what the child does. Sometimes the shadow grows very tall and sometimes very small. One morning the child gets up early before the sunrise. He finds dews on flowers but does not see his shadow with him. The child thinks that his shadow is still fast asleep in bed. I have woke up, but maybe my shadow asleep in bed still now. Now we will see some questions and answers of the poem. My shadow. Why do you think your shadow looks like? I think my shadow looks like me. We will see next question. Why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? When I go near my bed, my shadow falls on the bed before can get into the bed. Let's see third number question. What time of the day do you think when your shadow in the tallest? Why? I think in the morning. Now we will see next activity of this poem. Work in pairs and discuss the following. What would you do if? First one, a dog chases you. Then what you will do? I will not run away. The dog will also stop chasing. Now B number. You have forgotten your homework. Copy at home. Then what you will tell to your teacher? I will tell the truth to the teacher. Then C number. You are alone in a room and the lights go out. Then what you will do? I will wait till light comes back and arrange a candlelight. Now one more interesting activity for you. Shine a torch behind your hand and see its shadow on the wall. Move the torch a little away from your hand and see the shadow on the wall. Do you find a difference in the size of the hand on the wall? I think yes, there is a difference. The hand of shadow becomes smaller than the first shadow on the wall. I have already done this activity. Now you want to do this activity and see the difference. Now see the last number question. Fill in the blanks using one of the words given in the brackets. First one. Where is the child? Dash dash. Parents have come to school. Who? Whose? Or which? The correct answer is whose. Whose parents? Where is the child? Whose parents have come to school. Now see B number. I saw many houses. Dash dash were quite spacious. Which, whose or who? The correct answer is which. I saw many houses which were quite spacious. Now see C number. Mathematics dash dash is my favorite subject. Is so interesting. Who, which, that. Mathematics The correct answer is which. Mathematics, which is my favorite subject, is so interesting. Now D number. The poem dash you read out is so lovely. Whose, which or that? The correct answer is that. The poem that you read out is so lovely. See students, for better understanding you should read and write this poem and this exercise again and again. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.